Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. So we start on the larger time frame here. The current idea is that we are in the late stages of the FET bull market. I mean, it's rallied significantly. I think first time we talked about FET on this channel was late 2022, if I remember correctly. And we've advanced significantly since then. And we could now be in the late stages of the C wave. Here, this C wave, yeah, that started down there in November 22, and the price had a crazy prices at the time, around 5 cents, right? So we have here a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and the wave 5 is still outstanding, and it would be a 3-wave move, A, B, C in this wave 5, and we are currently likely sort of in the, you could say, mid stages of that wave 5 in wave C of A, and wave C should still stretch a little bit higher within that A wave, yeah. But overall, depending on where the A wave tops, yeah, and then whether we get another B wave or not, but overall, I'd like to see the price get around 622 to 871 at least. 485, however, is the first key resistance level when we go higher. That would be a little bit weak for a fifth wave, however, but possible. So it will depend on the internal structure as we get closer to a possible bull market high. And we only need one more high, really. I mean, we need a break above that third wave top to really get all waves, let's say, completed in this bullish market. So very important to understand that. But yeah, 485 would fulfill the minimum requirement, but ideally we go a bit higher. Talking about the smaller time frame then, the microstructure has been followed or was followed nicely in recent days. The overall idea is that we could still form one more high on the micro level, which could reach 225 or even 242 here within circle 3. So the idea was down there that we would probably start to turn around. We saw a first 5-wave move up, 3-wave pullback. That was our 1-2 setup we had. And we could be in circle 3 at the moment, but it's really messy, this structure. However, in this circle 3, we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. That was one of the last setups we talked about, an internal 4-5 structure. Covered that on Discord as well, early December. At the moment, I see this pullback as an internal wave 4 and a still unfolding third wave. I think that was exactly when it hit that low there, around the 2nd or 3rd of December there, and then started the wave 5. And often people say, okay, you always expect one more high. Well, yeah, if the move up doesn't look complete. Now, what I want to highlight is, well, that one more high happened. So the forecast has been fulfilled. But when we then look at the internal structure, even within that 5th wave, it allows for one more high now, right? But on the smaller degree, the smaller we go, the more fragile these patterns become. So if we go to that smallest time frame now, you see after the price bottom there, indeed on the 2nd of December it was, we've seen a rally in wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. And I think it would look best even with one more high in wave 5 of that third wave. And okay, there will always be a level when I say, okay, probably we won't get that one more high, but I see this clearly as the late stages of that larger third wave. So one more high to possibly 225 and 242, and then a larger fourth wave pullback would be ideal. At the moment, micro support is between $1.93 and $2.03. Any break below $1.93 would indicate the larger fourth wave has started. But don't think necessarily we're there yet. One more high would be ideal. So I'm watching 198, 193 as support. So far the last support levels all held. We're now in the very late stages. The choppy nature of that move up that started on the 2nd of December really looks like an ending diagonal. So get a lot of choppy price action. But as I said, below 193, it becomes more likely that the larger fourth wave has started, then with support around 173 to 160. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.